If you can walk on that fucking stage and make people who don't even know you laugh, you're a star. The comedians I looked up to the most when I was young was none of them, because I didn't think I was gonna be a comedian, because this was just the best decision I made that day after getting out the military. I wasn't even into comedy when I was young. So I didn't have any role models or patting myself behind any comedian because I didn't know what I was gonna do. I just knew I was gonna be doing something, but I never in my wildest dreams believed that I would be a comedian when I was young. The comedian that took me under their wing when I was young, I have to say Steve Harvey. He showed me how to put jokes together. He was the one that told me, come up with ones. Ones is jokes that never fail. You could tell them anytime and get a lot of ones together, and that's when you have a total set. And he showed me how to rapid fire it. That's how I got Earthquake to bat, to that, to that, to that. Just go with no regard, da, da. Once he taught me that, $10 million later. The best advice I ever received from another comedian is Eddie Murphy. And he told me a fan only blows when you're hot, so don't take it personally. The worst advice I ever got from another comedian was, this is it. Hollywood is never gonna give you a break. They never gonna see black comedians. They only pick certain comics and that. And I told them, bullshit. That was the worst advice I have ever got. Justifying failure. The advice that I would like to give to young comedians is this, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Your success is determined on you. You don't need no commercial, you don't need no TV show, you don't need anything to validate you as a comedian. Remember when you first got in this, your objective was just to make people laugh. And if you did that, you're successful. And don't let nobody else tell you that you're not. Fuck all the rest of that. You don't need nobody's justification or validation to tell you you're funny. If you can walk on that fucking stage and make people who don't even know you going through shit laugh, you're a star. You're a fucking star. And don't you ever forget that. Can't nobody do what we do. These singers, rappers, they still playing their first song and getting accolades. We gotta come up with new shit every day. And we gotta make people do what they can't make themselves do, and that's laugh. So fuck that. If you don't get one of these, you still funny. If you ain't on a billboard, you still funny. Because remember, you made someone laugh, and that's the best medicine in the world, bro. Right now, you need to go stream my new comedy special called Legendary, only on Netflix. God bless.